Hey guys, so today I wanted to do a date night hair tutorial. So it's going to be very wispy and whimsical and romantic. There's no braiding involved. I did go ahead and do my date night makeup for this look. I never do eyeshadow anymore. I feel like the last time I did it was like before the beginning of the whole pandemic. So yeah, we're going all out today. So I already prepped my hair. I used the Baby Bliss Pro curling iron, and all you need for this hairstyle is some hair elastics and bobby pins. And I'll link everything in my description box. So let's go ahead and get started.
All right, so first thing I'm just going to do, my hair's already parted to the side. You can part it in the middle if you want, but I'm just going to leave out a section in the front on both sides. I'm not going to make it too thick, but also I don't want it too thin. You'll see what we do in the end. So once you've got your hair left out in the front, then you just want to gather the rest back into a ponytail. Make sure you smooth it out with your fingers or with a brush. And then, like I said, you're just going to put it in a ponytail. I did use a clear elastic here, but just a little tip, don't use the clear elastic. It didn't hold as well as I thought it would. So now we're going to create a little opening right above our clear elastic or a ponytail, and we're just going to flip our hair up through it, but we're not going to flip it through all the way. So once I lift this up, you'll see it creates like a little bun. So as you're pulling it, don't pull it all the way through, just pull a little bit. Then you're going to take the rest of the hair that's sticking out and just clip it away, because we're not going to mess with that right now. So then you want to take this bun part and just kind of fan it out, stretch it, and bobby pin it into place. You're not going to see this part because the hair that we clipped up, you're actually going to drape that hair over this bun that we're pinning. So you'll see what I mean in a second, but you're not going to see the bun, so just make sure it's nice and secure. So when we pulled our hair through, it created little twists on the side. So what I'm just going to do is pull those out a little bit, that like you're seeing here, just kind of fluff them out. And then I'm going to let down my hair from the clip. So then your hair is just going to drape over that bun that we just pinned. And you just want to gather it underneath and then just bobby pin it into place. And bobby pin as much hair as you want. You can leave out as much as you want. It depends on the look that you're going for. But just make sure it is nice and secure. And you want to make sure your hair is evenly spaced and that you don't see the bun underneath. So this is what it looked like after I kind of moved my hair around and bobby pinned everything nice and thoroughly. You can't see the bun a little bit peeking through, but I fixed that. Now I'm just pinching and pulling the top, giving the hair more texture, more volume, more of that tousled, messy, boho-y look. Boho-y? Boho-y. Now I'm taking some Chi hairspray. I like this because it's kind of a light hold, and I'm just spraying it all around to make sure my hair stays up. And I'm doing the bangs too. Now for the bangs, we're just going to kind of twist them once and then bobby pin them into place. So you can see here, I take the bangs, I just do one little twist, and then I just put it up and push my bobby pin through. So I push my bobby pin up and then like towards the front of my head, so you can't really see the bobby pin too much. And then I just kind of loosen it up a little bit, and I do the same thing on the other side. So I give it one little twist, and then I push the bobby pin up and then through the twist going towards my head so that it's not noticeable. And again, just kind of loosen it up a little bit to your liking. Messy styles are all about just kind of playing around with your hair until you like it. But this is what it looks like from the front. It looks so cute. And then here's the side. And then here's me turning around to show you the back. I love the way it turned out. This is perfect for prom, wedding, bridesmaid, literally anything. Date night, you name it. So I am going to add in a little hair accessory so you can see what it looks like with that. You can leave it like this, or you can add in some zhuzh. So here I'm just taking a little pearl clip and putting it through at the top of the bun. And this is what it looks like. It looks super cute. And then I had another hair accessory I've never used, which is more of like wedding vibes. So I'm going to show you here. But I love how this turned out as well. Perfect, seriously perfect for a wedding. Like, this is wedding hair right here. Come on, tell me it's not.
That is the video. You can see I already took my hair down. I already changed my shirt. There is no date night. I'm a phony. It was all for a video, but that's okay. One day this little stinker will let me and Daddy go on a date, huh? Yeah. So thank you guys so much for watching. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, leave a comment. Let me know what other kind of hairstyles you want to see. Do you want to see more braid tutorials, updos? Let me know in the comments below. Mwah! Bye guys. Bye-bye. Bye. Bye-bye.